understanding more than, and the most, clear English comparisons. Master the art of English comparisons with confidence and precision. What is more than? Definition. More than compares two things, showing a greater amount or degree between them. Usage. It's the comparative form for adjectives with 2+ syllables, or irregular forms. Example. She has more books than I do, comparing two people directly. What is the most? Superlative form. The most shows the greatest degree among 3 or more things in a group. It always requires the before the adjective or adverb to indicate the ultimate comparison. Clear example. She has the most books in the class. This compares one person against an entire group, establishing her as having the greatest number. Difference from a and est. Endings, short adjectives. One-syllable words form comparatives with a and superlatives with est. Example. Tall, taller, tallest, longer adjectives. More and most are used for longer adjectives, 2+ syllables, or irregular forms. Example. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. When to use est vs more, most. One syllable, comparative add superlative add est. 2 syllables some, comparative more. Superlative est/most. 3+ syllables, comparative use more. Superlative use most. This systematic approach ensures you choose the correct form every time, making your English sound natural and grammatically correct. Examples of comparatives and superlatives. One syllable. Fast, faster, fastest, cold, colder, coldest. 2 syllables. Happy, happier, happiest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Long adjectives. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Irregular forms. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Common mistakes to avoid. Confusion between more and most. Crossmark incorrect. She is more important than all. Checkmark correct. She is the most important of all, forgetting the with superlatives. Crossmark incorrect. She is most talented. Without context. Checkmark correct. She is the most talented in the team. More than in sentences, with numbers or quantities. More than 50 people attended the conference. Used to express quantities that exceed a specific amount. Comparing two things. This book is more interesting than that one. Direct comparison between two distinct items or concepts. The most in sentences, highest degree in a group. He is the most experienced player on the team. This construction identifies one person as having the ultimate or maximum quality amongst all members. Key characteristics. Indicates the ultimate quality. Always includes the. Compares against entire groups. Shows maximum degree. Mastering comparisons. Use more than to compare two things. Comparative. Perfect for direct, one-to-one comparisons between items. Use est for short adjectives. More, most for longer ones. Follow the syllable rules for natural, correct English. Use the most to show the highest degree among many. Superlative. Ideal when identifying the ultimate example within a group. Correct use improves clarity and precision in English. Master these forms to communicate with confidence and accuracy. Thank you. Questions? Leave them down in the comments.